So we're going to talk about the distributive property before we get into factoring. As a review, if you are using the distributive property, we have something like this, where we have 3 times the quantity x plus 4. We multiply each term. We multiply the 3 here, which gives us 3x. We preserve the plus because this 3 is a positive and that's a positive. And then we multiply the 3 times the 4, which will give us the 12. It also works with exponents. If we had an m on the outside here, and we had 2m minus 8, we would again multiply every term. M times m will give us m squared. We know that from our lesson on powers. It's m to the second power minus 8m. And it also works if we had something like this, 6y to the fourth, and we had a y, say 3y in here, plus a 2x. And you may say, oh my god, what do? We have 2 variables. Doesn't matter. This will simply give us 3 times 6 is 18. Y to the fourth times y will give us y to the fifth. 2 times 6 will give us 12. And we can't do anything with those x and that y, so we just preserve them as they are. Also works with negative numbers. Let's say negative 3l. Don't often use l. Let's say 2l minus 4. And a negative 3 and a positive 2 will give us a negative 6l squared, a negative 3l, and a times a negative 4 will give us a positive 12l. So that's just a quick review on the distributive property. So now we'll talk about factoring, which is essentially the opposite of the distributive factor.